Hey guys, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So to create today's look, I used only one palette, that is SophX by Revolution. It's so much easier when you don't have to grab on different palettes. So yeah, let's get started. I am first going to do my brows using Christine Contour palette in the shade number 3, which is dark brown. To carve out my brows, I'm using my favorite Dermaco foundation in the shade 210. Taking the darker shade from the SophX palette, I'm now going to place it onto my outer corner and then start taking it towards the inner corner. Now using this next shade from the same palette, to blend the brown shade we applied earlier all the way from outer to the inner corner. Now to blend the edges even more, I'll be using this orange shade again from the SophX palette till everything looks more blended. Going back in the same palette now, I'm taking this pretty yellow color to make the whole eye look well blended and seamless. Taking this beautiful rose gold palette by Revolution, I'm now going to highlight my brow bone. Now using Dermaco foundation again in the shade 210, I'm now cutting the crease. Now adding this beautiful silver shade from the SophX palette onto my lids. And to blend the silver, I'm using this shade. It's kind of champagne-ish shade from the same palette. To darken up the outer corner, again I'll use the same dark brown we used earlier from the same palette. Going with the pink again and adding it to get that seamless blend, and then later on going back with that orange to blend the edges even more. For the lashes, I'm using these no name, no brand lashes. I'm really sorry guys, it's so long since I bought them, but definitely you can go with any of your favorite lashes. Now to prime my face, I'm taking the Smashbox Hydrating Primer. Now taking the FS36 by Kryolan, now I'm going to conceal my under eyes. And now for the foundation, I'm using Dermacool foundation in the shade 215. Now to tight line, I'm using this mint green color pencil by Color Trend. And now for the lower lash line, I'll be using this dark green color pencil by Christine Cosmetics. Then using this brown shade with the green and blending it, and then following along with the pink shade to blend it even more. And for the mascara, I'm using my favorite Falsies by Maybelline. Now setting my face with the Rimmel London's Stay Matte in the shade Transparent. For bronzing my face, now I'm using the Deborah Milano in the shade number 8. And now for the contouring part, I'm using Clinique Contour Palette and mixing these two shades together. And for the highlighter, I'll use the silver from the Rose Gold palette by Revolution. Taking this pink color lip pencil from Clazona, I'm now lining up my lips. And for the lipstick, I'm going to use this Matte Mania Liquid Lip Color by Dermacool in the shade 21. So that's pretty much it for today's look. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If so, then do make sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and don't forget to hit the bell icon. And also follow me on my Insta and Facebook.